Do you struggle to decide which way to go, which lane to choose, or how to indicate signal at roundabouts? In that case, you have come to the right place. In this video, we will dive deep into the interesting world of roundabout rules specific to Victoria, Australia. Join us as we clarify the complexity and give you a thorough overview of how to confidently navigate the roundabouts. Modern roundabouts have circular intersections with features that encourage safe and smooth traffic movement. In Victoria, the majority of roundabouts have 4 access points. However, it is not unusual to encounter roundabouts with 3, 5, or even 6 entry points in various locations. The following are some advantages of roundabouts. According to the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety in US, roundabouts are a safer alternative to stop signs and traffic lights. Roundabouts are more environmentally friendly and provide improved traffic flow. In general, roundabouts are safer for pedestrians. Studies of intersections converted to roundabouts in Europe and Australia show a 25 to 87% reduction in injury crashes and 36 to 61% reduction in total crashes. As you approach a roundabout, slow down, glance to your right, and be prepared to give way if necessary. The driver must give change of direction signal for long enough before entering the roundabout. Signal left to leave at the first exit if the first exit is less than halfway around the roundabout. No entry signal is required for going straight, and signal right if you are leaving the roundabout more than halfway around. Halfway around means when a driver exits a roundabout in a direction that is practically straight ahead from the road that they enter the roundabout. In the multi-lane roundabout, it's important to pay attention to the arrow's direction and the road signs to choose the appropriate lane for your intended roundabout exit. The driver turning left should enter the roundabout from the left lane unless the road markings indicate otherwise. The driver going straight may enter the roundabout from any lane unless the road markings indicate otherwise. The driver turning right or making a U-turn should enter the roundabout from the right lane unless the road markings indicate otherwise. Before entering a roundabout, a driver must give way to any vehicle, including motorbikes and cyclists in the roundabout. The driver of a motor vehicle must also give way to any tram or light rail vehicle that is inside, entering, or approaching a roundabout. Tram includes a bus traveling along tram tracks. If you are required to give away, you must not pass the giveaway line. Before proceeding, observe in the directions from which conflicting traffic might approach. When navigating a roundabout, drivers must stay to the left of the central traffic island. Think of the roundabout as a clock face. On roundabouts, all motion is clockwise. If the vehicle is too large or heavy, it may be driven on the edge of the roundabout to the left of the center, or over the roundabout to the left of the center line if it is safe to do so. If there are 2 rings encircling the roundabout, no vehicle should drive over the raised platform in the middle of the intersection. However, if the vehicle is too large, they can safely drive over the central traffic island in the small roundabout. If practicable, activate the left turn indicator when leaving the roundabout. It might not be practical to signal left when exiting a small single-lane roundabout. You should also check your blind spots and make sure it is safe to exit. Once you have exited the roundabout, turn off your exit signal. You risk receiving a harsh fine and demerit points if you fail to give way to a vehicle in the roundabout. The following conducts will result in an immediate fail of the VicRoads driving test. Failing to give way to all vehicles already in the roundabout. Mounting the curve of a roundabout, or striking the curb hard enough to cause discomfort to vehicle occupants. Mounting or driving over a part of the roundabout not intended to be driven on by any vehicles.